what we did is marriages, especially marriages, functions, and so on. Do you know? With huge money, the people are going to do the functions kind of thing by spending huge money. So total village complete lighting must be required. Next, food must be required. Okay, like stylish decorations must be required. Like because the people should impress like anything by seeing these arrangements. They are going to give the respect like anything like that. Really, all the relatives came. The function was wonderful, and then they went. They went back. Now, no person making a phone call to me to appreciate me about that function. No person making a phone call. I'm eagerly waiting about my phone. Hurry, if any person is going to call me, if any person is going to appreciate my effort about this function, at least one person can talk about positively. I'm eagerly waiting for my phone. I didn't get any call. Okay. Why? Let me try to one person. Okay, the person who attended that function, he spent more time in that function. I made a phone call to that person. Hey, bye. Yeah, how are you like? Hey, 2 days back only in the function we met, right? Oh, thanks for calling. Okay, good. I'm doing well. Okay, today I have some urgent work. I'm going something like my kids' admission is there. I'm thinking about that. Okay, like that person made a call. That person is telling. 5 minutes. I asked her, Renka, anything else? Like my eagerness is, if he's telling about my function, if he's going to appreciate me, then I feel very happy. But that person is always telling his own problems. Whenever I ask her what else, my daughter is studying 5th completed. For high school, which school is recommended? Like, okay, anything else? Then this person is telling, okay, my father health is not good. I'm checking for hospital. Oh, anything else? Business is not up to the mark. I'm thinking about what I require to do, alternative, any other, like, anything else. He's always telling his own problems, his own responsibility. He never talk about my function, man. Then by expending that much cost to impress these people, but actually these people never going to talk about my function. What about my feeling? What about my feeling? Can you please imagine? Everyone has their own problems. Everyone has their own issues. They never going to remember in what way you did the function, what car you use, or what phone you are using. All these things, they never going to remember. Remember this, because what the person who get out from that venue, he forgot everything. He's busy in with their own activities.